Welcome to A to Z Vocabulary, where you learn 10 new words every day. Today is day 13 of our vocabulary lessons. In this lesson, we'll learn 10 amazing words, starting with the letter M. Make sure to watch carefully and try to remember the words, because at the end, you can test yourself with a fun quiz. Our first word today is magnify. Magnify is a verb. A verb is an action word. It shows something being done. Magnify means to make something appear larger or more important. You can use magnify when something is physically made bigger, like with a microscope, or when something is exaggerated to seem more serious. The scientist used a microscope to magnify the tiny bacteria. This means the microscope made the bacteria appear bigger, so the scientist could study them clearly. His exaggerated story magnified the problem, making everyone worried. This means he made the problem seem bigger or more serious than it actually was. Our next word today is meticulous. It is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a person, place, thing, or idea. Adjectives tell us more about the qualities or characteristics of something. Meticulous means showing great attention to detail or being very careful. You can use meticulous when someone does a task very carefully and precisely, paying attention to every little detail. Let's use it in sentences. She was meticulous in arranging the books by color and size. This means she carefully organized the books, paying attention to every detail to make them look neat and ordered. His meticulous notes helped him score top marks in the exam. This means his notes were very detailed and carefully written, making studying easier. Our next word today is mundane. Mundane is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a person, place, thing, or situation. Mundane means ordinary or not interesting. You can use mundane when something feels routine or lacks excitement. Let's use it in sentences. Filing paperwork is a mundane task, but necessary. This means the work is ordinary and repetitive, even though it has to be done. Doing the same morning routine every day can feel mundane. This means following the usual routine feels boring and repetitive. Our next word is mitigate. It is a verb. A verb is a word that shows an action. Mitigate means to make something less severe, harmful, or serious. You can use mitigate when something negative is reduced or softened. Let's use it in sentences. Using sunscreen can mitigate the effects of strong sunlight. It means sunscreen helps reduce the harm caused by the sun. The government took measures to mitigate the impact of the flood on local communities. It means the government tried to lessen the seriousness of the flood's damage. Our next word today is melancholy. Melancholy can be used as a noun or an adjective. A noun is a word for a person, place, thing, or feeling. As a noun, melancholy means a deep, gentle feeling of sadness or sorrow, often without a clear reason. An adjective describes someone or something. As an adjective, melancholy describes someone or something that feels or looks sad and thoughtful. Let's use it in sentences. She felt a sense of melancholy after seeing the empty playground where she used to play. Here, melancholy is used as a noun. This means she felt a quiet sadness when she remembered her past. The film ended with a melancholy scene that left the audience silent. Here, melancholy is used as an adjective. This means the last scene looked sad and thoughtful, making everyone feel quiet and reflective. Our next word is malleable. It is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a person, thing, or idea. Malleable means able to be shaped, changed, or influenced easily. You can use malleable to describe materials or people who can adapt easily. Let's use it in sentences. Gold is malleable and can be shaped into jewelry easily. It means gold can be bent or molded without breaking. Young minds are malleable and can learn new ideas quickly. It means children's thinking can be shaped and influenced easily. Our next word is manifest. It is both a verb and an adjective. As a verb, it means to show or make something clear so others can see it. As an adjective, it means something that is obvious or easy to see. Let's use it in sentences. His excitement manifested in the way he spoke so quickly and smiled all the time. Here, manifest is used as a verb. It means his excitement clearly showed through his fast talking and constant smiling. There was a manifest improvement in her writing after months of practice. Here, manifest is used as an adjective. It means the improvement was clear and easy to notice. Our next word is mediocre. It is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a person, thing, or idea. Mediocre means average or not very good. You can use mediocre to describe something that is neither bad nor excellent. Let's use it in sentences. The restaurant's food was mediocre, nothing special. It means the food was just average and not impressive. Her singing was mediocre at the school talent show. It means her performance was average and didn't capture much attention. Our next word is morose. It is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a person, thing, or idea. Morose means sullen, gloomy, or bad-tempered. You can use morose to describe someone who looks unhappy or sulky. Let's use it in sentences. He was morose after losing the chess match. It means he looked gloomy and upset because he lost. The cat looked morose sitting alone by the window. It means the cat appeared sad and sulky. Our next and final word is motivate. It is a verb. A verb is a word that shows an action. Motivate means to encourage or inspire someone to do something. You can use motivate when someone helps others take action or work harder. Let's use it in sentences. The coach motivated the team before the big game. It means the coach encouraged and inspired the players to give their best effort. Her words motivated him to finish the project on time. It means her encouragement inspired him to complete his work. That's all for today. You've learned 10 new words. Now it's quiz time. Drop your answers in the comments. Let's begin. Which sentence uses meticulous correctly? A. He was meticulous in cleaning every corner of the room. B. She was meticulous in running fast without looking. C. They were meticulous in forgetting their tasks. D. He was meticulous in skipping all the steps. The correct answer is A. He was meticulous in cleaning every corner of the room. What is the best meaning of mundane? A. Very exciting. B. Ordinary and boring. C. Extremely rare. D. Dangerous. The correct answer is B. Ordinary and boring. What would mitigate a loud noise? A. Closing all the windows. B. Turning on more speakers. C. Shouting louder. D. Ignoring the noise. The correct answer is A, closing all the windows. Which action best shows the meaning of magnify? A, covering something completely. B, making a room smaller. C, ignoring something important. D, using a lens to make tiny insects look bigger. The correct answer is D, using a lens to make tiny insects look bigger. Who is most likely to be morose? A, a woman smiling faintly while reading a letter from an old friend. B, a man relaxing calmly with a cup of tea on the balcony. C, a student quietly staring out the window after failing a test. D, a boy concentrating seriously while drawing a picture. The correct answer is C, a student quietly staring out the window after failing a test. Thanks for watching Day 13 of our vocabulary series. How many words did you get right in the quiz? Keep practicing and using them in your daily conversations. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video with 10 more powerful words.